Hey there, WooCommerce warriors. Let's be real. Running an online store is 10% selling cool stuff and 90% realizing you forgot to send a customer their invoice, the assembly guide, or those terms and conditions that keep the lawyers happy. If you're still manually emailing PDFs to customers after they buy, stop. Just stop. You have a life to live. That's where the email attachments for WooCommerce plugin comes in. It's like a personal assistant for your outgoing mail, but it never asks for a coffee break. This plugin allows you to automatically attach any file, PDFs, images, docs to your WooCommerce order emails. Whether it's a thank you gift card or a mandatory warning, it hitches a ride on the email your site is already sending. It makes you look like a Fortune 500 company, even if you're currently working in your pajamas. I've put together a lightning-fast 3-part series to get you up and running. Lesson 1. This right here, we're setting the stage. Lesson 2. We'll dive into general setup and configuration. I'll show you how to link files to specific order statuses so you don't accidentally send a refund policy to someone who just bought a toaster. Lesson 3. We'll cover managing and deleting attachments because digital spring cleaning is a thing. By the end of this course, your customer service reply button is going to get very dusty, and your customers will have everything they need the second they hit purchase. Automation is the dream, and we're about to make it your reality. Ready to stop clicking attach?